If you're looking to improve your health and wellness, you may want to consider adding cloves to your daily diet. Cloves are a spice that is commonly used in cooking, but they offer a range of health benefits that go beyond just adding flavor to your food. In this video, we'll explore the many benefits of eating cloves every day and why you should make this spice a part of your daily routine. But first, subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.
Improved digestion. The first point regarding the benefits of eating cloves every day is improved digestion. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol that have been shown to have positive effects on digestive health. Eugenol is an anti-inflammatory compound that can help to reduce symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and nausea. Additionally, cloves have antimicrobial properties that can help to kill harmful bacteria in the digestive tract and reduce the risk of infections. This is particularly important for maintaining a healthy gut, as the gut is home to a diverse population of bacteria, some of which are beneficial, while others can cause harm. Studies have also shown that cloves can help to improve gut motility, which is the movement of food through the digestive tract. Improving gut motility can help to reduce the risk of constipation, which is a common digestive issue. Furthermore, cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine as a natural remedy for digestive problems. And there is evidence to suggest that they may be useful for reducing symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other digestive disorders. Better oral health. The second point of the benefits of eating cloves every day is better oral health. Cloves have been used for centuries to improve oral health, and there is evidence to support this use. The primary active compound in cloves that contributes to improved oral health is eugenol. Eugenol is a natural pain reliever and antiseptic, making it useful for reducing toothaches and freshening breath. Additionally, cloves contain antibacterial properties that help to fight against harmful bacteria in the mouth and reduce the risk of tooth decay and gum disease. Chewing on cloves or using clove oil can help to relieve tooth pain and freshen breath. And there is some evidence to suggest that cloves may be more effective than some commercial toothache remedies. Improved cardiovascular health. The third point of the benefits of eating cloves every day is improved cardiovascular health. Cloves contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. Antioxidants help to protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals, which can contribute to the development of cardiovascular disease. Anti-inflammatory compounds help to reduce inflammation throughout the body, which has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Additionally, cloves contain high levels of a mineral called manganese, which is important for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Manganese helps to regulate cholesterol levels and support healthy blood pressure, both of which are important for reducing the risk of heart disease. Improved immune system function. The fourth point of the benefits of eating cloves every day is improved immune system function. Cloves contain high levels of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help to support the immune system. These compounds help to protect the body from damage caused by harmful molecules, as well as reduce inflammation, which can weaken the immune system. Improved respiratory health. The fifth point in favor of cloves is related to the health of the respiratory system. Cloves contain anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for improving respiratory health. Inflammation in the respiratory system can lead to conditions such as asthma and bronchitis. By reducing inflammation in the respiratory system, cloves may help to alleviate symptoms and improve respiratory function. Additionally, cloves have been used in traditional medicine to treat respiratory conditions such as coughs and colds. The antioxidants found in cloves can help to boost the immune system, making it easier for the body to fight off infections and respiratory illnesses.
In conclusion, the benefits of eating cloves every day are numerous and can have a significant impact on your overall health and wellness. From improving heart health to boosting immunity and supporting oral health, cloves are a versatile and tasty spice that can enhance your diet in many ways. If you found this video helpful and informative, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.